Henry and Mays. My name is Janet Solano Chavez. I am 42 years old. I live in Santander de Quilichao, Cauca. I am English teacher in a high school. My email is solanojanet@hotmail.com. My Skype is Janet Solano Chavez. It's together. My cell phone number is 310-379-9168. I live with my daughter and my husband. I had 10 years working in an agriculture college. Description about me. I am medium height and a medium weight. I had brown skin and I had long hair. I had brown eyes and I have small eyes. My nose is short. I consider myself to be a tolerant, sociable person, agreeable, nice, and happy. In my free time, I normally stay at home and study. I love practicing sports regularly. I think that is very good for the body and is essential to feel well. Doing some sport is also very entertaining and important for our health. I don't like the envious and gossipy people. I prefer being removed from persons like that. My behavior in meetings, I work and attend different sites. My personality is always the same and I am very friendly, good natural, cheerful. My family is small. It's formed by my mother, 3 sisters and 1 brother. I work in agricultural institution years. My relationship with my mate is good. Strategies for learning English. English has become a very important tool for education. It is the most widespread international language and is an instrument of strategic communication. In various areas of human development, encourage students to open their minds, accept and understand new cultures, and to promote exchange between different societies. The level in English language learners is not good. The responsibility of each student in the learning process must be high, so teachers must provide sufficient strategies to help students develop their language skills. The efforts of same teacher in the field of the innovation of teaching methods in the teaching of English supports has been minimal. Do not have enough tools. The process of acquiring a skill and knowledge the teacher are the results of the learnings that take place during the exercise of the profession between or outside the school, assuming the need for training and providing the required tools. To develop the teaching and learning process, it is necessary to implement strategies that facilitate us to meet certain objectives between classes. These strategies must take into account that each student has unique characteristics and therefore has their own learning style. Motivation leads us to stimulate the desire to learn. Implementing a process of reading, writing English languages, retaking the most dynamic aspects of its implementation, reading graphics, field words, plays in English, workshops and videos. Motivating students to expand their English is usually high. The most common individual goals are the expansion of vocabulary area and improving English speaking. It is important for success and improving vocabulary and writing in English. Language must have some both material presentation, attitudinal illustration, where the vocabulary is present, avoiding translation, oral. Presentation must be permanent either through the teacher, through games, listening to music. Telling stories. Today, technology is very important resource where the use of the video. You can watch TV, teacher use phones to develop language skills and thereby approach the proper pronunciation of sounds, words, and this learning grammar. Participation of students is very important, where they participate and propose action to enhance the educational process. The students may entertaining and motivating for the development of dynamic ideas. And my expectation for this course are have the ability to write and speak easily. I would like to learn to speak and write very well. My expectation for when I finish my career to be able to better manage the work or to travel to England where my brother lives. Okay, teacher and Mace, thank you very much. I hope that you understand me. Thank you very much.